This one from Real Deal Neil, voice of Dr. Commissioner. Dedicated to love and all its lessons. To D, to S. Wanna know yourself?
Me grateful, more than words can say. Me remember the walks, the talks, the night breeze, the laughter loud like Sunday seas. Me did young, full of fire, but your love helped me climb higher. Me never perfect and you never lie. Sometimes me selfish, sometimes you cry, but we teach each other how to grow, and you help me plant the seed for no. To D, to S, me give thanks for all the prayers, for all the pranks, for the way you love when me feel down low, for the heart you give when me can't show. Me grateful, more than tongue can tell, for the loves me live and the times me fell. Me grateful for the joy and pain, cause without the loss, no growth, no gain. Me grateful for every kiss and cry, for the ones who teach me how to try. From your smile to your parting step, me grateful still, me not regret. Some days we drift like a leaf on stream, but still you show me what love mean. Even when we clash, you help me see my flaws and my destiny. And yes, me hurt some too, my own sin, my pride, me youth, me searching within. But all them roads lead me a sun now. So me lift my voice and make this vow. Me give thanks for the ones who care, for the silent tears, for the whispered prayer. My spirit grow through all you gave, so me sing for your love and the love myself. I'm grateful through the tests and time, for the women who walk through my climb. I'm grateful for the stories told, for the warm embrace in the night's cold. I'm grateful, still my eyes not dry, cause memory sweet and truth can't lie. You all play part in the man you see, and I know my heart full truly. Jaja. Me lift up every woman who loved me true, even when me couldn't love me too. Bless them journey, guide them soul, cover them life as the seasons roll. Let joy find them, let peace surround, let happiness in our heart be always found. And bless S, mother of my child, for carry new life and still stay mild. Fatherhood humble my pride and pace, and remind me love living never fades. Me grateful in the deepest way, for the ones who pass and the ones who stay. Me grateful for the gift of you, cause every love helped me walk through. Me grateful, me not erase the chapters past, the warm embrace. To D and S, my heart grateful, true, and to I too, me sing for you.